In addition, we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of our balance sheet.
The Fed has to meet this now with raising rates and QT.
This time, they're doing huge hikes. They're going to do huge quantitative tightening.
The relief rally is officially over. Here's what you need to know. Now, if you're anxious or you're stressed out and have no idea what to do with these markets, save this video as a reminder to take the emotion out of the game. Ethereum rallied 130%, Bitcoin rallied over 40%, the Nasdaq over 23%, and we have not had a pullback. And the worst part about all of this is the Federal Reserve has been lying to you every single day. As the video showed, everyone talking about quantitative tightening. Looking at the total assets on the Fed's balance sheet, they have barely reduced anything. Quantitative tightening is focused on taking out money from the economy. From June to August, they were supposed to be pulling out around $42.5 billion. Starting in September, they were to raise that up to $90 billion. However, they've done neither of those things. Despite the Federal Reserve being a private institution, they are still very controlled by Congress. And it makes sense on why they're doing this, as midterms are coming up in just a few months. And in case you live under a rock, the world is going to right now. And if the stock market were to crash before midterms, the Democrats would lose by a landslide. It's why you hear things like we're not in a recession, 0% inflation. When the reality is inflation isn't going to slow down anytime soon. And once the Feds actually focus in and hound on quantitative tightening in the next coming months, between September and November, this means the stock market, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, they could rally just a little bit more. But the risk to the downside is much higher. If you've been following my channel, you would know that I called this relief rally and disinflation back in June. So if you want to know how to play this market, especially if we're approaching another pullback, make sure you check out the Kryptonite Discord, where I host classrooms and write in-depth articles on how I'm going to make trades with liquidation levels, supply and demand levels, as well as walk you through each and every single one of my trades, which, yes, are shorts. Not bad for one day. So be sure to give me a follow, and I'll see you in the next video.